Cases of COVID-19 are rising in Russia, with infection rates returning to winter levels and death tolls at a record high. Despite the vaccine being available since December, only 14% of the population has had 2 shots. Mistrust of the state and its medical system are partly to blame. Authorities who've been accused of mixed messages are now scrambling to contain the surge.
Over the last week, we registered a new record of the number of hospitalizations, people in intensive care units and people dead from COVID. Therefore, we took a number of decisions on restrictive measures, linked in particular to the mandatory vaccination of service workers.
The Kremlin is using incentives to get people vaccinated. In one region, free tickets to the circus for those who get the jab, no entry to bars and restaurants for those who do not. A strict QR code system requires customers provide proof of vaccination or have a negative PCR test to eat indoors, but many are unhappy.
I don't like it. What's the point of it? It's restricting people from visiting cafes. The vaccine, as you know, will not save you from the disease. Maybe you get less sick, but there's no point in this. It's making vaccination mandatory, that's all.
And it's another setback for a hospitality industry already suffering.
There
are no other options. The only surprise is that people do not need QR codes in public transport, fitness clubs and beauty salons or shopping centres. But I guess it's just a matter of time.
A small number are protesting against the inoculation drive, fearful that the Sputnik vaccine has still not been approved by the World Health Organization and angry that those who refuse it will be shut out of parts of society. On Tuesday, scientists admitted their Sputnik vaccine is slightly less effective against the Delta variant than originally reported, while the government announced it won't be able to vaccinate 60% of its population by autumn as planned. Charlie Angela, Al Jazeera.